If there was a moment in your life where you wondered, man, I wish I could be like my K-pop idols, performing on the big stage, singing in front of many people, well, this video is for you. We have compiled details of both global and rolling auditions being held by K-pop entertainment companies for the year 2026. For this video, we'll primarily be focusing on the ones that are the global auditions or the auditions that have a certain time period in terms of registration and applications and the audition process itself. Specifically in the video, we're going to be talking about the audition details, the eligibility criteria, the categories for which you can audition to, and how to apply for these auditions. We're going to start with SM Entertainment, which is the label behind notable acts such as EXO, aespa, NCT, and so many more. We'll only be talking about the global auditions that they have opened up as of now. They do have other auditions that are also currently going on, but those are more of a rolling basis kind of auditions, which we'll be talking about in the next video. In this video, we'll be focusing on the global audition. SM Entertainment has announced its 2026 SM Global Audition. There are no limitations for gender and nationality, however, there is an age restriction with people only being born between 2007 to 2015 being allowed to apply for the auditions. The categories are vocal, rap, dance, and acting, and you can only apply once. Online pre-registration is required for the actual offline auditions, and currently only China and Japan are open. China's online pre-registration will end as of March 2nd and Japan's will end on March 19th. Australia and America's will begin as of March 23rd. Unfortunately, Thailand's auditions are over as of February 15th. After online pre-registrations are the actual offline auditions, and these offline auditions will take place in specific cities. For China, there are 6 cities. For Japan, there are 4 cities. For Australia, there are 2 cities. And lastly, for USA, there are 2 cities too. Right now, the offline audition dates for USA and Australia have only been announced, and China and Japan will be announced soon. And how to apply for these? You can submit an online application via the SM Global Audition website. Next on our list, we have Movision. Movision has been founded by Jay Park and currently houses Jay Park himself, Chungha, and the recently debuted K-pop boy group Longshot. Movision has announced its 2026 Movision Girl Group Audition in search of talented young females for them to debut in their future girl group. The auditions will be held offline in the Jamsil Youth Center in Seoul on March 14, 2026, and online pre-registration is available only till March 8th, 2026 till 11:59 KST. On-site registration is also available. However, it's only for 2 hours starting from 4 o'clock and ending at 6 p.m. on March 14th itself. It is only open to female applicants of all nationalities. However, there is the age limit of people being born between 2009 to 2012. The categories are vocal, rap, and dance, but you can apply multiple times. You can submit your application via the Movision audition website. Next, we have D Nation. D Nation is currently the management behind 21's Park Boom and the duo Vanilla Acoustic. They are holding the 2026 D Nation Girl Group online audition in search of female talent. The audition is being held online via email or DMs. It is open to all nationalities and only females born between 2006 to 2012. And for the categories of vocal and dance. How do you apply? You can submit your application to this email mentioned right here, and you can check their website for more details. Lastly, we have S2 Entertainment and is behind the sensational group Kiss of Life. They are holding the S2 Entertainment Global Audition New Journey Club. The auditions are being held online via email submissions. It is open to all nationalities and are open to both males and females. However, the age restriction on both are different. For males, it's 2007 to 2011, and for females it's anyone born after 2010, and the categories for them are vocal, rap, and dance. You can submit an online application to this email and even check the S2 Entertainment audition website for more details. And that's all for now. These are all the K-pop entertainment companies that have opened their global auditions or time-based auditions as of now. In the next video, we'll be talking about the rolling auditions or the auditions that don't have any sort of time limit and are constantly open for people to submit their applications. Stay take your shot, send your video, send your application, and maybe you can just become a K-pop idol. Who knows? Be sure to also check the company's official websites for any updates or for any frequently asked questions you have, or you can even leave your questions in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer them for you. We have also included all the links to all the entertainment companies' websites and the audition applications in the description box below. If this video has been genuinely helpful in your K-pop idol journey, do give it a like, share, and even subscribe to the Namaste Hallyu YouTube channel, and we'll see you all next time.